I mean, look at these turns. That's what we came here for. Oh, I have some error. Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to drive the Satteleggpass, as I said last time. As you can see, it's quite a little, small and narrow pass, which is already starting. We are going to climb up, and I'm probably also going to drive down. And yeah, I'm gonna let you hear the engine, and let's start. Let's keep it calm around the corners, which we can't see. Wow. This car is so amazing, especially for passes like this that are quite small, which don't need too much high speed. Much rather hairpins and small turns. Don't really feel too comfortable around blind corners. So let's not go too ham. The display part of the DJI Nano is getting tossed around quite a bit, but shouldn't really happen anything. Also, sorry for the very bad audio on the last video. I hope this time it's way better. Something just got loose in my trunk. Not really sure what it is, but it won't stop us from having fun around these amazing turns. As you can see, we don't really have any traffic and also no cyclists. That's probably because it's currently Sunday morning. It's 8:30, so I thought it would be a good time to do a video so that we can have our peace and also some fun. I mean, look at these turns. That's what we came here for. I mean, I absolutely love this car. Not really because of the power, it's more because how small and nimble it is. And with the upgraded suspension, it's really the handling improved quite a lot. And it's super, super fun. Now we grill. There's also some traffic ahead of us, which we probably won't be able to overtake. As you can see, it's quite difficult to overtake on this pass. Don't really feel comfortable doing that. So I think I'm just gonna slow down a bit, and I will see you in a minute. Alright, I think I've waited long enough to at least have some space until the top, but we'll see. road is so amazing. I love those long turns paired with those really, really sharp and narrow hairpins. Also, scenery is quite nice. Definitely not the best one we have in Switzerland, but this pass really ticks it all. And like I said before, I don't really know what you guys enjoy more. Is it more like the handling, or is it more like I want a straight line speed? But for me, it's definitely the handling, to have fun on passes like this. Oh, I have some error. Let's go and check it out. So it doesn't seem to be anything too big. I just checked the car and everything is looking fine. And also I just started the car again and the notification will pop up again. So let's move ahead. Let's put it in sport mode, manual. Let's go. Descent of this pass also quite fun. This road is built way better. It's way wider and stuff, except for one part that it's really, really sketchy. And we already have the first traffic. Not really what we wanted. I think we've left a big enough gap. I think the sketchy part is already coming up. Yes, it's this part. I mean, look at this. This is super, super sketchy, especially if you don't know this pass and drive it for the first time. I think they just moved out. Maybe that was them there. That was one gear too low. Wasn't really necessary. The first cyclist we see today, motorbike rider. I don't know about you, but I never really feel as comfortable on the descent as on the ascent. It always looks a bit narrower, a bit more sketchy. If I'm going uphill, I don't really am scared, I just drive and it doesn't really bother me, but going downhill, it just doesn't really sit right with me. So maybe let me know in the comments if you have the same feeling. Oh, the error showed up once again. So I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for looking this video. I will have to check this out and see you in the next one.